K-drama fans, April 2025 is packed with must-watch dramas, romance, thrillers, historical epics, and more. Get ready for an exciting lineup that'll keep you hooked. Let's dive in. 10. A Movie. A deeply emotional and heartwarming melodrama, A Movie tells the touching story of two individuals who find solace and inspiration in one another amidst life's struggles. Meanwhile, a female led as a bright and optimistic aspiring actress, despite facing a devastating terminal illness. Their fates intertwine when they meet at a hospital, where she is undergoing treatment. As she remains hopeful and full of life, she encourages the director to return to his passion for filmmaking. Together, they embark on a journey to create a film, bonding over their shared love for cinema and storytelling. Their relationship blossoms into a deep and meaningful connection, offering moments of joy, heartbreak, and inspiration. 9. Mercy for None. A dark and intense crime action drama, Mercy for None is adapted from the popular webtoon Plaza Wars and centers around the brutal underworld of gang conflicts. A male lead was once a high-ranking gang member, feared and respected in the criminal hierarchy. However, he made the difficult decision to leave his violent past behind, seeking a quiet and peaceful life away from the bloodshed. But his world is shattered when his younger brother, who had joined a rival gang, is suddenly and tragically killed. Driven by grief and vengeance, he is forced to re-enter the dangerous world he once escaped, seeking out those responsible for his brother's death. As he navigates betrayals, power struggles, and shifting alliances, the drama promises intense action, raw emotions, and high-stakes confrontations. 8. Weak Hero Class 2. After the widespread acclaim of its first season, Weak Hero Class 2 is set to bring back the gripping action and emotionally charged storytelling that captivated audiences. Season 1 ended on a heartbreaking note, with friendships fractured and unresolved conflicts. In Season 2, viewer will see the protagonist navigate new challenges as he transfers to a different school. With lingering trauma and a desire for justice, he is once again drawn into a world of violence and power struggles. New friendships, betrayals, and intense action sequences are expected as the drama explores themes of resilience, revenge, and personal redemption. Park Ji-hoon reprises his role as the formidable yet emotionally complex lead, alongside a new supporting cast that adds fresh dynamics to the gripping narrative. 7. New Recruit Season 3. Returning for its third season, this military-themed drama continues to delve into the challenges and growth of young men undergoing South Korea's mandatory military service. Now, in Season 3, fans can expect even more character development as the recruits transition into more seasoned soldiers. As they take on greater responsibilities, new friendships will be formed, bonds will be tested, and personal growth will be at the forefront. The drama continues to balance heartfelt storytelling with comedic elements, making it an engaging and relatable watch. Starring Kim Min-ho in a talented ensemble cast, New Recruit Season 3 aims to deliver another season filled with laughter, camaraderie, and emotional depth. 6. More Beautiful Than Heaven. This upcoming romantic fantasy drama offers a deeply touching love story that transcends time. A female lead has lived a long and fulfilling life, now in her senior years, reflecting on the love she shared with her late husband. She fondly recalls his words, where he claimed she was most beautiful in her 80s. Yearning to reunite with him, she mysteriously enters heaven at what she believes is her true age. However, upon arrival, she finds her beloved husband still appearing as his youthful self in his 30s. As the couple navigates this unexpected reunion, they rediscover their love through a series of heartwarming moments and tender reminiscences. The drama is expected to highlight the enduring power of love, featuring a poignant exploration of aging, beauty, and the afterlife. 5. 24-Hour Health Club. This fitness-themed rom-com stars Lee Joon-young as a passionate gym owner dedicated to bodybuilding and Young Yoon-ji is a travel agency development manager who loves food. Their paths cross at the gym, where romance gradually develops through playful banter and shared goals. With a unique setting and engaging characters, this drama promises a fresh take on love, fitness, and self-improvement. 4. Way Back Love. This romantic fantasy drama follows childhood friends whose deep bond is tragically cut short when the male lead passes away. However, years later, he returns as a grim reaper and reveals that his beloved childhood friend has only 1 week left to live. Determined to help her fulfill her bucket list, they embark on a heartfelt journey, rediscovering their love and confronting past regrets. Adapted from the web novel A Week Before I Die, this emotional story is brought to life by Kim Min-ha and Gong Myung. 3. The Haunted Palace. Also known as Return to the Palace, this historical fantasy drama takes viewer back to a politically charged era with a supernatural twist. The story follows the granddaughter of a renowned shaman who refuses to aid a mystical Amugi creature. In retaliation, the creature possesses her first love, a distinguished government official. With eerie occurrences shaking the royal court, she embarks on a journey to uncover the truth behind the strange happenings. The drama stars Kim Ji-hoon, Bona, and Yuk Sung-jae, offering a blend of mystery, romance, and supernatural intrigue. 2. Crushology 101. This youth romance drama, based on the popular webtoon, is set in a university and follows a top student in the sculpture department nicknamed Bunny. After experiencing heartbreak, she decides to change her approach to love and suddenly finds herself surrounded by attractive young men. With multiple potential love interests, the drama teases major second and even third lead syndrome. Starring Ro Young-hee, Lee Chae-min, Cho Young-young, and Kim Hyen-jin, this drama is set to bring plenty of swoon-worthy moments. 1. Resident Playbook. Inspired by real-life issues surrounding South Korea's declining birth rates, this drama is set at the Jongno branch of a medical center. It follows the journey of gynecology residents and obstetricians who, despite being in an unpopular department, dedicate themselves to their profession. The series blends humor and slice-of-life elements, offering touching moments as the characters overcome challenges and grow both personally and professionally. The drama boasts a talented cast, including Go Yoon-young, Ha Ye-ji, Kang Yoo-seok, and Yoon Joon-wan. And that's a wrap on the most exciting K-dramas coming this April. From heartwarming romances to intense thrillers, this lineup has something for everyone. Which drama are you most excited to watch? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest K-dramas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy drama watching.